Words. Hello children, look who's here. Meet A. And here comes P. Together they make the word app. C. App. Together make the word cap. A cap is a soft fitted covering for the head. You wear it when you go out in the sun. Here comes M. App. Together make the word map. A map is a picture that shows roads, rivers, and mountains of a place. Here comes N. App. Together make the word nap. When you sleep for a short time, it is called a nap. People and animals take a nap during the day. T. App. Together make the word tap. A tap is seen in kitchen and bathroom, and water flows from it. Now let us see some more rhyming words that are formed with app. Rap, sap, yap, zap. Now, can you make some more app words?